In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide yourself through resolving sync problems within Gmail using Google's resources. If you've ever experienced issues with syncing in Gmail, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, today we'll go through a clear and easy-to-follow process to tackle this issue. The first thing you'll want to do is ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as synchronization issues can often be linked to connectivity problems. Make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any other reliable network. Once you have confirmed your internet connection is not the issue, the next step is to open your preferred web browser and visit the Google homepage or the Google search engine. Once there, in the search bar, type in "How to fix sync problem in Gmail" and hit enter. This query will yield a number of results. You'll see plenty of resources, but for the clearest and most reliable information, look for links that lead you directly to Google's help pages. Google's own resources are consistently updated and provide a wealth of troubleshooting steps specifically tailored for Gmail issues. Select one of the top links that take you to Google's official support page. These pages typically offer step-by-step instructions that are vetted and accurate. Google provides a variety of potential solutions because sync issues can stem from different causes, such as outdated app versions, insufficient storage space, or incorrect app settings. Go through the troubleshooting steps provided. This often involves checking your app settings. Ensure that synchronization is turned on within your Gmail settings and your device's general settings. Also, consider updating your Gmail app. If your app is out of date, it may not work properly, leading to sync issues. Another important step is to clear your app's cache. Over time, the accumulation of cache can impede the proper functioning of Gmail. Navigate to your device settings, locate the App Management section, find Gmail, and clear the cache to see if this resolves the issue. If you're still experiencing problems, Google may suggest removing your Gmail account from your device and then re-adding it. This can often reset any underlying issues causing the synchronization problem. Remember, before you remove your account, make sure you have your login details handy, including passwords and any required two-factor authentication methods. By following these steps methodically, you increase your chances of fixing the sync problem effectively. If all else fails, reaching out to Google's support team directly is a viable option for further assistance. With these instructions, you'll be better equipped to manage and resolve any sync issues you encounter in Gmail. Thank you for joining today's session on solving Gmail sync challenges, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and guides.